Hi, this is the KTT Mint, one of the budget offerings from KTT. The KTT Mint is a linear switch and supports 3-pin sockets. This also supports with Automo sockets from budget pre-built keyboards. It has a Kale housing and has a deep teal nylon bottom housing and a polycarbonate top housing. A 15mm spring with an actuation force of 45 grams. The white stem is made out of palm. Here's a sound comparison with other budget switches. This only costs 13 pesos per switch. Stock, it's a bit scratchy, which we can't escape, especially for a budget switch. But after lubing, scratchiness should be gone and the sound signature should deepen. One of my revelations is that this switch actually has some tight housing tolerances. There's very little budge when wiggling it, so films are basically unnecessary. If you're looking for an upgrade and on a tight budget, this might be for you. Here's the stock sound test.